Hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for Tyrone and Maryland. This is like a little unusual format because it's at late at night, but I still have to do it because I want to show you these things because the schedule and the weather is just like I have to work pretty late tonight. Anyway, so okay, Tyrone. So first things first, I removed the fan, removed the belt, replaced the pulley, and here is the new fan clutch, and I just shortened up the bolt so it fits it. Before we go to these parts, let's take a look at what we have here and take a look at the condition. Okay, so focus please, thank you. We got no, I guess just come on, POS. Maybe this way. All right, fine. When it's on light, it focuses better. What have we here? So this is not a leak from power steering. This is just the coolant that came out. A little coolant came out. So you have infamous the oil leak around. That's just a given. That's those horseshoe-looking seals under the upper chain covers that are not this, but these. So these are big round covers. But anyway, I'll tell you that over the phone. So this is the oil leak. Yeah, it's kind of been going on for a while. Now the most important is the pulleys and water pump, because this is what we want to see. You also have to check up on that hose right down there. That's the transmission coolant line. It's kind of looks like it's seeping, so you might want to do something with it. I don't know where it's coming from, but the primary goal here is the pulleys. So when the belt is removed, let's take a look. Quiet, perfect. This one I already replaced. See, it's not even turning freely because it's brand new. Idler for water pump, I mean for the fan, perfect. Water pump, quiet, very nice. Idler, the belt tensioner, quiet, perfect. Power steering, quiet, perfect. Idler on AC compressor, quiet, perfect. Alternator, quiet as well. Very good. Really happy with this because usually when cars sit for a while, water pumps go. All right, so that's that. Oil leaks you can take care of later. That's fine. I mean, don't mind the mess. This is just because I'm working late. The idler pulley. Now you probably can't hear it on the camera, but maybe camera picked up, but the bearings in the air, yeah, obviously. So that's not good. So I got the original INA. That's the one that is that's made for, that's original equipment. This is not some BS, because if you look, let me see if I have any. Well, it's too dirty now, but original pulley is made also by INA, these guys. All right, so fine, moving on. I'm gonna pack this all up together and get it going. Now remember I spoke with you about this breather hose that was kind of like butchered and all that stuff. So I did mold my own pipe. I had a little pipe there laying around, and I did make it go under the cover, so finally this cover can go back on, so it looks clean, versus that it was like just like a hose going across. That was terrible. So there's still junction over there, and it runs across right over here. See this one? This is it right here, and it goes under properly, it goes around, but I had to make another junction here because my pipe wouldn't go in there because there's ridges. So original piece, whatever fitted in there, that's what I used. So this cover can be bolted back down, but you cannot over tighten it because the wiring harness, whoever made this is too thick, so it doesn't really fit in right. But anyway, it's gonna be fine. Just don't go crazy. You can still put the cover, nobody will ever know what's going on under. Right, so let's go over to belt situation. The funny thing is somebody managed to put a 6-groove belt on this car, and the belt is not terrible. It's actually okay, but it's a 6-groove, man. This is what you need, the big boy, 8-groove. So the difference, 6-groove, 8-groove. I don't know what the hell this belt is doing there, but it is what it is. This is the Continental. This is what the Mercedes uses, Conti Tech, and it's gotta be not 6, it has to be 8. Okay, so that's squealing, that's your bunch of other issues. And also, if you look closely on pulleys, that belt has been there for a long time, because you see you got like the belt right in the middle. It's supposed to ride all across, but it rides right in the middle. And also on these pulleys, here, let's say here, you see how clean it is here. That's a 6-groove belt. That is the rust from unused portion. So that's the same situation here. This is 6 grooves, 2 grooves are open, so there's a little rust on there. Hopefully it'll clean up. Most likely it will. Once the belt starts riding against those, it'll break off all that rust. The same story on the alternator. As you can see, the last 2 grooves they weren't used for a while. So I don't know who the hell put in 6 groove and whatnot. All right, so whatever, I'll put a proper belt. Now the fan clutch situation, I don't know what happened here, to be honest with you, because this one is ripped. It's broken off. It's supposed to be bimetallic spring just like this, but this one is ripped out and it's gone and it doesn't work and it's all bad. So obviously I'm replacing it because coolant issues. And this is original. You see, this is a SOX. This is the original, made in 1993. So this is original piece that was installed in this car since it was made. I don't know why nobody replaced it, nobody bothered, but it had to be done. I mean, I don't know why it was never done. Seriously, if somebody got to all these troubles to put this wrong belt in it, I don't know why they never changed the fan clutch. So bizarre situation. So now I'm putting, like I said, Continental. I actually got Bear, which is actually okay. It's the best aftermarket you get, Bear or ACM, because original one is like $700. So obviously we're using this. Let's see, this end up, clutch, Visco. You see, I don't even see made in China anywhere. So maybe maybe I got the old school original Bear Fendt clutch. No. Okay, well, no, unfortunately, no. Here it is, proudly China right there. Well, it is what it is. The choices here are limited. Either, what is this, like $130, $140, or what, like $700? You do the math. I mean, this is the way it is. And if anything, you can have 7 of them replaced. Well, not 7, but 5 replaced for a price of 1 original. So, and that's not gonna really break. I mean, they usually actually hold on. I've installed many of these for my customers and they actually work. Even in my own truck, I put a Fendt clutch by aftermarket company. I forgot which one I put in, but it's been working for 8 years. So, but I picked the best one I can find for the money. All right, so right now this is the update here. So I'll go back to work and put it all back together, start the car. The battery is still dying, but it is what it is. You will need the battery. There is no drain, but the battery is just weak, which is bad. All right, so for now I'll cut this video short and get me a cigarette and keep going. All right, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.